brings even brighter promise in the form of the F-22 Raptor. The fast, agile, and stealthy F-22 will take over the air dominance role with Air Combat Command starting in 2004, assuring the United States continued control of the skies during combat well into the next century. The F-22 is capable of carrying a full complement of medium-range missiles. They include the AIM-128 AMRAAM and short-range missiles such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder. The F-22 engines produce more thrust than any current fighter engine, especially in military power. This characteristic, called supercruise, allows the F-22 to efficiently cruise at supersonic air speeds without using afterburner. The F-22 will be the air dominance fighter